In the kitchen design, we'll begin with the room specification, where a number of attributes can be defined, such as room name and the floor and ceiling heights. There are additional settings for moldings, wall coverings, materials, and other characteristics. Now that this room is defined as a kitchen, notice that the room label and the square footage are displayed. Cabinets can be placed in 2D or 3D. I'll be placing the cabinets in a 3D dollhouse view. Using the Base Cabinet tool, click in the corner of the room to place the cabinet. Notice that the program recognizes the cabinet is being placed in the corner and automatically creates a corner cabinet. I'll place a few more base cabinets and resize by selecting the side drag handles. Cabinets can be customized to create literally thousands of cabinet variations and combinations with Home Designer. To customize, create a bank of 3 drawers by changing the door to a drawer and then using the Split Horizontal tool. For this cabinet, I'll remove the drawer by selecting the face item and clicking Delete. It's that easy. Cabinets are smart objects and know how to bump and merge, forming a continuous countertop. To change the cabinet styles, you can browse the library and choose a cabinet door and click on the cabinet to apply and visualize. Drawers work the same way. Find the style and click to apply. To better visualize these changes, I'll change the camera to a vector style view. To place wall cabinets, select the Wall Cabinet tool and click above the base cabinets to place. I'll place a few more and resize widths by clicking on the edge and dragging. To change the height for these upper cabinets, I'll select them, open the cabinet dialog, and enter 54 inches. There are a number of settings that you can define for the cabinets, including sizing, countertops, box construction, frame or frameless, the cabinet front layout, door and drawer styles, moldings, and several other options. To add fixtures and appliances, find the items in the library and place, either into a cabinet, such as a microwave drawer, or next to a cabinet, like a refrigerator or range. With thousands of items in the library catalog, there is a wide variety to place in any design to help visualize and plan for space. If Home Designer doesn't have a particular item, download it free from our 3D library or use the import feature to further customize your designs. Now, let's have some fun and add a backsplash and change some colors. With the Backsplash tool, I'll click on both walls. Using the Material Eyedropper, I'll replicate the glass from one cabinet to the other. A material painter allows you to change the color and material of any object in your design: cabinets, countertops, walls, and flooring. With Home Designer's Smart Cabinet tools, you can create a variety of kitchen islands and save it to your library for reuse in your designs. For added detail, I'll use the program's elevation camera. Elevations offer a more technical view for designing and adding detailed notes. Using the wall elevation camera, I'll draw a dimension through the base cabinets. You can modify the dimensions with the diamond handle and add and remove additional dimensions. Elevations with dimensions and notes can be an important part of designing, purchasing, and building. These elevation views can be saved in the project and then sent at scale to a layout page for construction-style drawings. Home Designer has all the powerful design tools needed to create great kitchens and baths.